What the f***? Hopefully that solves our problem. So if you put these batteries in before, you will note that originally anti-gravity gave you these. They're too small to fit under the terminal, so it's very tricky to get them in on the Panigale V4. Looks like they finally figured it out though, because on the new battery they included these. About twice, maybe even 3 times the size. It should fit perfectly, so better late than never, but nice. New battery is in. First try, let's see how it goes. I'm feeling pretty confident, honestly, but let's find out. So it might not be the battery, but what could it be? Seems to be running-ish. I don't know, we got some issues though, look at this. Error. Something's not quite right. See, the weird thing was when I touched this in here, I kind of jiggled this around a little bit and then we got it to clip, so we may have a loose connection somewhere? I don't know, but I'm not loving what I'm seeing. So I think I've at least found the gremlin. This in here, when the bike's off, but if it like moves, if it doesn't start, I can push this forward a little bit and then the bike will do the startup procedure, but then every time that disconnects, it resets the whole computer. Then we have to insert the date again, errors, this, that, the other thing. So there's got to be a loose connection in this relay here, but we'll see if we can figure it out. It's a new day here, and I've got new relay and new 4-pin plug. Good. $8, $10. What could possibly go wrong? This was the old plug. Found that it was, in fact, melted. So it must have gotten hot enough to where it actually melted the plug, causing a loose connection or not a full connection. So, cleaned off the leads, replaced the plug part of it. The wires looked okay, so kept them in. We'll see if they need changing, but at the moment it looked like it was just the plug. Switched it out. That's the new one in there, the $8 plug. Moment of truth. Give it a pull test. I think we're good to go. I'd call that a good old-fashioned mission accomplished. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.